Hello friend A-Arduino. Today I have idea to make my robot arm. In the previous video I made it that today I have idea to make it work like automatic robot. The idea is I uh, add the sensor to work like start button. The connection is I add the sensor uh, to work like a put button switch. I add in I hook up to A4 and work like a digital input and add some program. When you take a look this, when you put the board here, underneath have the sensor. The sensor we this sensor is infrared sensor. I buy from uh, Banggood and I keep long time and I never use, and then when I have this robot I have idea to make it like automatic and I add this one. For the wiring, this IR sensor I connect to A4 and VCC and ground connect 5 volts from the board from the Juno Arduino. Uh, and the program what I add I use the I add the this A4 to I connect the sensor to A4 pin A4 and all e all the parameter we uh, have to add for this sensor everywhere, like read sensor here. I have to assign this pin to be input, and this is has the program I add for detect the read sensor or restart. Restart is the previous is the original program had only this, and I add read sensor. That's for the sensor, and then uh, read sensor and push button start. Which one work? You can start to work to let the robot work like this. This is sensor, or you press the put button here. Whatever which one work to activate, you can start your robot. But this robot I need the robot work automatic. I put some part here on the sensor and let the sensor work. So For my sensor, I show here uh, the sensor is uh, installed underneath the this is 3D printer plate, and I mix a hole here to let the infrared out here, and the length is a little bit like 1 centimeter. I think can detect the up the s- up some part that you want to detect. This is sensor really small, and you just connect 5 volt and the digital output 5 volt, and then connect to A4. This sensor is work really well. I have no problem with this sensor. When I connect is can use immediately and just write a program for read the digital input. Okay, today I think I finished to explain to add some automatic some sensor to my robot to make it like automatic robot. I hope this may help my friend to work with the robot automatic robot. If helpful, like share to support my video. See you later. Bye.